in Sullivan, has issued a special marine warning for Port Washington to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, capable of producing strong winds 34 knots, or greater 20 nautical miles east of North Point Lighthouse, moving east at 25 knots. Mariners can expect strong winds 34 knots or greater, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain.